Welcome to a world where the stars align and the mysteries of the universe unfold. Get ready to embark on a journey that will unlock the secrets of your destiny. In this video, we delve into the captivating realm of astrology, where celestial bodies hold the key to understanding ourselves and the world around us. Brace yourself for an exploration like no other as we uncover the hidden connections between the cosmos and our lives. Stay tuned, because what you're about to discover will leave you astounded. In this introduction, we will lay the foundation for our exploration into the fascinating world of astrology. For centuries, humans have looked to the heavens for guidance and meaning. Astrology, the study of the movements and positions of celestial bodies, has been practiced by civilizations across the globe. It is based on the belief that the positions of the stars, planets, and other celestial entities at the time of our birth can influence our personalities, relationships, and even our future. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, astrology has undoubtedly captured the curiosity of many. So, let's set aside any preconceived notions and embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of this ancient practice. Get ready to delve into the cosmos and discover the profound impact it may have on our lives. Astrology is often divided into 12 zodiac signs, each associated with specific personality traits and characteristics. Aries, the first sign of the zodiac, is known for its boldness and leadership qualities. Taurus, on the other hand, is associated with stability and practicality. Gemini, the sign of the twins, is known for its versatility and adaptability. Moving on to the next set of zodiac signs, Cancer is known for its nurturing and empathetic nature. Leo, the lion, is associated with confidence and charisma. Virgo, the perfectionist, is known for its attention to detail and analytical mindset. Libra, the sign of balance and harmony, is known for its diplomatic nature. Scorpio, often associated with intensity and passion, is known for its deep emotions. Sagittarius, the adventurer, is associated with a love for freedom and exploration. Capricorn, the sign of ambition and discipline, is known for its hard-working nature. Aquarius, the visionary, is associated with innovation and intellectual pursuits. Finally, Pisces, the dreamer, is known for its empathy and intuition. Beyond the zodiac signs, astrology also explores the significance of the planets and their positions at the time of our birth. Each planet is believed to have its own unique influence on our lives. For example, Mercury is associated with communication and intellect, while Venus represents love and beauty. Mars, the planet of action and energy, is believed to influence our drive and ambition. Astrology also delves into the concept of birth charts, which map out the positions of the planets at the exact moment of our birth. These charts provide a personalized snapshot of our unique cosmic makeup, offering insights into our strengths, weaknesses, and life path. While astrology is often seen as a tool for self-discovery and personal growth, it is important to approach it with an open mind and a healthy dose of skepticism. Scientifically, astrology has faced criticism for its lack of empirical evidence. However, many individuals find solace and guidance in its teachings, using it as a tool for self-reflection and understanding. Whether you view astrology as a profound guiding force or simply an intriguing concept, there's no denying its enduring popularity and the way it continues to captivate our imagination. So, let's continue our exploration into this mystical realm and uncover the wonders that astrology has to offer. As we reach the end of our journey through the captivating world of astrology, we have witnessed the intricate connections between the celestial bodies and our lives. Whether you find solace in the alignment of the stars or approach astrology with a skeptical eye, there is no denying the enduring fascination it holds for many. Astrology offers a unique lens through which we can explore our personalities, relationships, and potential paths in life. It encourages self-reflection and provides a framework for understanding the complexities of the human experience. Remember, astrology is just one tool among many, and it's important to approach it with an open mind and critical thinking. We hope this video has sparked your curiosity and provided you with valuable insights into the realm of astrology. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with others who may find it intriguing. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences with astrology, so please leave your comments below. Additionally, if you have any suggestions for future video topics, we're all ears. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Until next time, may the stars guide you on your path of self-discovery and fulfillment.